2024 was a record-breaking year for Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit $100,000 and was trading above $100,000. This was dream come true for the crypto community. They have been waiting for Bitcoin to hit 100K for a long, long time. And in 2024, Bitcoin did hit that price mark. Now, the question is, what holds the future of Bitcoin? Can Bitcoin keep going higher, higher, higher in price? Or maybe Bitcoin is going to be dropping right down to, let's say, 30K in price, because that was the price that Bitcoin left this year from January. First, Bitcoin was about 38,000 or in the 30,000 range. And this year, we are seeing Bitcoin at around 90 something thousand. But Bitcoin did hit 100K and was trading above 100K in 2024. That's last year. And most of you who didn't buy Bitcoin, you were like, oh no, Bitcoin is so expensive. You cannot buy a Bitcoin. But if you would have bought Bitcoin, like let's say for $100, you would have made more than that. Like you would have almost 2x your money. Bitcoin is actually one of the most performing assets out there in the financial space. And because of that, we are seeing massive adoption. So last year was a year for massive adoption. We saw how BlackRock, which is one of the largest asset manager in the world, came up with a Bitcoin ETF. We also saw how other big players in the industry came up with other Bitcoin ETF. And people were able to onboard Bitcoin through this ETF. So Bitcoin in 2024 was really amazing. And the success of Bitcoin made altcoins to plunge to the moon. And I know those of you who are part of my platform, you are holding most of the altcoins that we talk about. And I want you to understand that the future of Bitcoin is not determining what altcoins are going to do as well. So if, say, we are going to have a good future for Bitcoin this 2025, then altcoins are going to do so well. And we all know that we are in the alt season at this point in time. The bull market is still ongoing. Bitcoin still have a long way to go, and we're gonna make so much money investing in altcoins and taking out our profit to Bitcoin. This channel is all about helping you to make money. If you're new on this platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, we create content to help you understand market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit. If, say, you are that person who has been struggling in taking out profit from your investment, you are on the right platform, because on this platform, I want to educate you when you're going to buy, when you're going to sell, and when you're going to stay away from the market. Because, guys, trust me, there's lots of noise in this space. And if, say, you don't understand how to shifter the bad noise from the good noise in this space, then you find yourself always going down in price. You're gonna buy a coin, and before you realize it, the whales or the market makers have dumped it on you. So this platform will help you get to that level where you're gonna be able to make something for yourself. And I have a VIP group where I share my buy and sell signal alerts. So if, say, you want someone to help you with buy and sell signal, coins to buy, then make sure you join my VIP group. There, I share what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and also when I take out profit. The links are found below this video. Go there and connect with me. And also, if, say, you're not part of my free Telegram community, go there and join as soon as possible. There, I share stuff about cryptocurrency. And don't forget to follow me on X. All the links are found below this video. Oh boy, last year was really awesome. Bitcoin made us all smile. Bitcoin put a lot of smiles on our faces. And I think that we're going to keep smiling this 2025. And if you don't know, Bitcoin actually is the alpha in this space. Bitcoin moves the market, and you want to always be in Bitcoin. I mean, use Bitcoin as your unit of account. That is, Bitcoin should be your fiat. What I do here is chart all altcoins against Bitcoin. I want to look for altcoins that actually can outperform Bitcoin, so that I'm going to be making more and more Bitcoin. So today, again, I want us to look at the future of Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin hit what? Say it. 200K this year, 300K, 500K, 1 million? Who knows? No one knows. But we do believe that the fundamentals of Bitcoin is pointing us towards up, 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 up. We are seeing countries, presidents coming out vocal about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrency adoption. Michael Saylor is buying Bitcoin like hell, like hell. This is like crazy. He's so mad about Bitcoin. He want to accumulate as many as he can, and we are seeing countries like Dubai, Russia coming out and being vocal about cryptocurrency, about Bitcoin. So this should give you a sense of direction as to where Bitcoin or crypto is going. Listen, guys, Bitcoin have only 21 million in supply. That means if, say, countries or big players in the financial industry are rushing to accumulate more Bitcoin, what do you think is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin when there's high demand? Of course, the price is going to go up. And as many countries are scrambling to accumulate as many Bitcoin as they can, there are opportunities out there for other altcoins that we can grab. And these altcoins I talk about on my platform. I've done so much research about these altcoins that I talk about on my platform. And I keep bringing to you guys more altcoins that I believe can make you more Bitcoin. So let's look at the chart. Let's see um where we are right now for Bitcoin. This is where we are right now, around $96,000. This is the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, and from January, you can see here from January, Bitcoin left around $38,000, and around, let's say, what month was this? That was in December 2024, 16th of December 2024. We saw how Bitcoin hit $108,000, and now Bitcoin is down around, let's say, about few couple of percentage. It's almost around $97,000 as of now, like as of the moment that I'm doing this video. Can Bitcoin keep going up, up, up? The answer is yes, but it won't be immediately. I think we have a couple of months left for Bitcoin to go. Maybe from July or August, we can see the next movement for Bitcoin. But why am I saying so? Now, when Bitcoin hit this price point around $71,000, it took Bitcoin a couple of days to get to the next high, right? So let's look at how many days it took Bitcoin before Bitcoin was able to go to the previous high. Let's see, after the high there, how many days was it? That was about 231 days. Okay, so we can then bring this here, do the same thing from the high and see when we can expect the next upside for Bitcoin, and this is around August of this year. So don't think that this is the end of Bitcoin because of this. No, it's not the end of Bitcoin. That's how the market moves. You can see right down here, we have liquidity here, these vector candles here, and this represent liquidity. They can drop price to recover most of this liquidity and then to retest structure. Which rate structure here? When structure is broken, we always expect price to retest structure somehow. It happened here, and it can happen as well. Yeah, you can see here in the past. Let me just show you guys something what Bitcoin did in the past. After this huge pump to the upside, Bitcoin retraced about 30%. So we can still see Bitcoin retrace 30%, about 33%. Yeah, it retraced about 33%. So if, say, we apply the same year, then it takes us instantly to this price point, around, let's say, $76,000, for Bitcoin. And I think this is something doable. We can see Bitcoin hit 76,000 or $75,000. I've been talking about this for some time now, that Bitcoin is gonna go right down to 70K, and most of you don't take this seriously. Think maybe Bitcoin is gonna keep going up, up, up. No, when you see a huge upside like this, someone have spent a lot of money to push the price to the upside, and they are gonna recover that money back. So don't think that if they recover the money back, it means Bitcoin is gonna be going to zero, or you're gonna be panicking with your altcoin. Because if Bitcoin is gonna go down to this level, some altcoins or most altcoins out there that move alongside Bitcoin, at least the top altcoins, are gonna also move alongside Bitcoin. Expect Bitcoin to hit this price point this year before we see the next movement to the upside, and this should be around $76,000. I've already marked it, so that when it happens, I'll tell you guys that I told you so. But if, say, it doesn't happen, of course, it's still fine. It's gonna be reasonable for me to say price can go here, move a little bit and then move to the upside straight to about around 120 or $180,000. I don't know, but I think that Bitcoin can hit about $250,000 or 200K this 2025. Why? Because of massive adoption. We're gonna see a lot of countries come out and buy Bitcoin. We're gonna see big companies put Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and we're gonna see retail investors rushing to get as many as they can from this bad boy. So the future of Bitcoin is really amazing. Trust me. You can look at the top 100 coins, for this year. Looking at crypto bubbles, you can see Bitcoin is up this much. And looking at other coins like Yasmin, HBAR, Ondo, Doge, Floki Inu, Weave, Sui, Dex, Omo, BGB, these coins have been doing so well as well last year. So it's possible for these coins to do well again this 2025. You can look at the coins right now, write it down, because all the coins you see here that have done so well last year are going to be the same coins to do well this year. Take note of that. Now, looking at the altcoin market, what can we expect, for that? I think the altcoin market in general looks bright, and we're going to see more upside for the altcoin market. You can look at Total Tree, see how Total Tree is holding on the weekly time frame after retracing towards this level. It bounced back, and we're going to see it move alongside sideways as well. You can see after this move to the upside, we saw how Total Tree retraced about 40%. So we can still see 40% retracement for the altcoin market. So let's see from there to there. This is going to take us right around this area, this zone for altcoins. So we're gonna see more downside for altcoins, of course, before the next move, but we can still see the altcoin market go up a little bit to 1 trillion, 1.2 trillion before come down, towards this zone that I just marked here. But if say it's gonna happen like that, it's gonna be still healthy, for price to come and recover most of this liquidity here. You can see these vector candles, they represent liquidity, and the market makers, when they pump price to the upside, they always want to recover all what they lose when they were pumping price to the upside. So you should be prepared for what might happen with your altcoins. If your altcoin is pumping right now, getting to key levels, taking out profits, don't sit there and think you're gonna keep going to the upside. Look at this data, can zoom out to see where we are right now. Price hit the previous high, and of course, price have to retrace. And what I think is gonna happen is price might go and create a new high there, and then dump back towards this level that I mark. So you guys should expect something like this for altcoins. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin, for altcoins this year. We're gonna have so much to do. Lots of coins out there to make money from, lot of projects out there to study, and I'm gonna bring all of these to you. But you wanna make sure you are subscribed to this platform. Thumbs up to my videos, share my videos with your friend. And if say you want to learn trading, investing, you want to be doing what I am doing, like you want to get the same knowledge, you want to apply the same knowledge on your chart, on the coins you're buying, then you can take my complete one-on-one session for beginners where I teach you everything cryptocurrency, everything investment. I help you to understand how the market moves, how crypto moves, when to buy, when to take out profit, and when not to do anything. If this interests you, all the links are found below this video. But don't forget to be part of my free Telegram community. The link is found there, and follow me on X. All the links are found at the description of this video.